In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change ringtone on Poco C75. Go in settings, simply scroll down, go in sound and vibration, tap on ringtone. Now from here, you can select the ringtone. For example, I like the party ringtone, so I will simply tap on party. Here are the all party ringtone. For example, I will simply tap on 7080 soul. This ringtone is good. Now if you want to select the ringtone from here, then simply tap on the bell icon, tap on OK. As you can see, my ringtone is applied successfully. Now I will simply go back again. Here you can see ringtone is 7080 soul, which I selected from the list. So this is how you can change ringtone on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.